stepmother nĩ mũtumia ũrĩa hikaga thĩinĩ wa mũciĩ agakora ciana ataciarĩte biologically. Like you are prepared, this guy has kids, but you don't know what kind of kids. This issue of stepmothers is very controversial and it's very sensitive. There are mothers who have gone through hell in the hands of their stepchildren. And there are children who have gone through hell in the step of their stepmothers. Kowe ni two way. Hesi anastesa gatumia maika kwao. Na ti itherũ wanamtesa mpaka anatoroka.
Wanateswo na ni mwina muthuni muratamura na kuria.
Gutamura na tigana ku. Gutamura agacoka agaroka agathie wira.
Bane
agagutamura agacoka rucini. Toro ciana cikozireretwo ndungurani o mwana areretwo na arabu mwana ni ari ciana citihuanaine no wona atari no kwana tatu kamwe ni gakena muno kamwe ni karakari muno kuga ko hau gatagateini ru no na ciana citikorwo cihanaine. In my case I had to make sure that I fit. It was hard, but you have to fit there. No ginya arabu uga take time, you take a lot of time. Tiete wari undu muhuthu, you take a lot of time understand ciana ici.
Hihi ciana ni cia inoregani nawe no nginya ndungithi tuike accepted at once. Ni ko inoregani
uguo gutiagaga ndandukana henyo ni mundu au ni hana challenge riu ukona ni moka hwaini maybe they are just exhausted tondu uria matinda makenete moka mathiite toro
ugeciria ngai
ugeciria ngai riu ri
ngawati ndage kibatungata
ya tungata uria utetwo thini wa meciria ma ciana ici so there are those moments citiagaga na ngwiciona nikio gitumaga mutumia aingi mahika kundu magatigithukania ciana na uncles na aunties tondu maretigira ciana citika insaitwo ciike atia against them. My stepdaughter is big, ni mrefu kuniliko tungithinya nake uguo ri ni ibati ugo ngimwita mathi urorete figa ya ni tuthiente she is tall ni mana bro ndona igikara uru ri na ndamende kwirora na ndamende kugua na uritu ri igikade design iho njuru ndahane ta ndamece na muturire wao ri nyangia nyamburire. Yeah, because she has to defend, she has to protect her brother. And stepmothers are evil. Ucio ti undu wa kuhitha. Most cases they are evil. To 2016 January ngitwara mwana wakwa college. Yes.
And ni muiguithanitie hindi iyo.
Pio yeah, I felt good. Ndaigwa atwara mwana wanye hindi urahikire ona ni hindi wina iguya kari akana gaku ka mbere. Na ni watwara mwana college. You know, studying in that gap as the parent to that girl. For me, I don't know, but for me it was a great thing. You know me, I always talk about the amazing grace that changed my life. Grace. It's not tihaya demo muno, ona tukumenya menyete muno na tukuikara igire kundu kwega muno. I think it's grace. Yeah.
You are good friends.
Yeah, very good friends.
You chat.
Yeah.
You call each other.
Yeah, we share memes. The memes ka ni meme.
Memes. Na musi no muko na wonderful time ya kuruga hamwe na muka enjoy.
Yeah, we cook together, we enjoy, we go for trips. And they love my son to death.
So they love their step brother.
Yeah, very much. Very much ona hele ndaiguite ndronaga ona sister yake ni aramunania muno tondu aramugira kiria giothe arenda